For 120 years, Sycamores has been helping vulnerable children, families, and adults create a better life, providing help during some of their most challenging times. Sycamores traces its roots back to two legacy organizations: the Pasadena Children's Training Society, the city's first orphanage, founded by Fannie Rowland in 1902, and the Kiddie Koop Orphanage, founded in 1919 in Los Angeles. The Pasadena Children's Training Society was established in a two-story craftsman bungalow on the corner of Wilson Avenue and Del Mar Boulevard. The orphanage served as a welcoming place for babies and children who needed a home. Doorstep babies, as they were called, filled many pages of the admission books in those early days. The doctor at the orphanage would estimate the baby's age, and the matron in charge named the child if there was no note pinned to their blanket. Meanwhile, in 1928, the Kiddie Koop moved to an almost 2-acre site in Highland Park, which still serves as one of our locations today. According to the Kiddie Koop superintendent at the time, our job is to make strong bodies and healthy, well-poised minds and happy singing hearts as well. We think we are doing a scientific job, both in our intake and in our care and training. In any event, we have a lot of very happy, healthy youngsters in our care. In 1945, the Kiddie Koop's focus shifted from purely custodial care to residential treatment, and the organization was renamed the Hathaway Home for Children. The 1960s brought changes in child welfare, and with changing needs, the Children's Training Society relocated to Altadena and was renamed the Sycamores. That site today is known as our El Nido program, where we provide therapeutic residential treatment to boys who have experienced family or community trauma. Also in the 1960s, legendary filmmaker Cecil B. DeMille bequeathed his ranch in the foothills of the San Gabriel Mountains to Hathaway. Initially used as a summer camp for the children in the Highland Park program, eventually a new home called the Children's Village was constructed. Governor Ronald Reagan was the keynote speaker, and Julie Andrews was the mistress of ceremonies at the 1972 dedication of the Children's Village. Throughout the 80s and the 90s, both organizations expanded services to provide behavioral health programs and other support services for underserved children, young adults, and families. In 2005, the Sycamores and the Hathaway Home for Children merged to become Hathaway Sycamores Child and Family Services, becoming the largest children's mental health provider in Los Angeles, with 10 locations of care providing highly effective behavioral health services that impact close to 16,000 lives annually. In the summer of 2021, our organization rebranded and is now simply called Sycamores. While much has changed during our 120 years, Sycamore's unconditional, whatever it takes approach to care has never wavered and continues to help individuals create a better life.